Invoice number V7426. Today is June 27th, 2022. We are video inspecting the family room fireplace. Approximate height will be given at the end of this video inspection. We are in a 13 by 13 flue. There is flagstone on top of this structure. We are proceeding down with video inspection after traditional cleaning was performed. You can see the heavy third stage creosote buildup is present. Very heavy. It also does appear that we may have flashing in here, right there as well. There's also evidence of a chimney fire in here upon original inspection prior to cleaning. Creosote is extremely thick and heavy. The pressure is present. We are in a very great open space. Chimney is tall, but not as tall as it should be. It may also be a 13 by 18. Hard to get orientation in here with it being so filthy. We're in the smoke chamber currently. Smoke chamber has third stage creosote as well. I recommend a poultice creosote remover be applied to the smoke chamber and the flue. Again, we were 20 feet tall, and that concludes the video inspection for today. And again, it does appear to be a 13 by 18 flue. Defects are observed.